Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply comments on YouTube Studio apps. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio apps. Please waiting. And then in here, you just click on the comments at the bottom, this one. And in here you can see these many comments in your YouTube channel. If you wanna reply this comment, you just click on this icon, click on it, and you're welcome. And write your like this. And then after this you can click you can click in here for send a comment, for reply a comment like this. Okay, please waiting. Sorry because my internet is okay, this has been finished replay. And then so that how to replay comments on YouTube Studio apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.